Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to use the math operators in Python and how to get random integers in Python. Let's get started. So let's first start with the math operators. In Python, this plus symbol is used for addition, subtraction, multiplication, exponents, this division, integer division, then remainder. It is just like the mod operator. So these are the math operators. Now integer division is also called as floor division, and this mod operator, it is a mod operator. So it is like 8 mod 2. The answer will be 0 because it gives the remainder and not the quotient. So instead of 8 entering the whole mod, you have to just print out this percentage 2 is equals to 0. It will give you the answer 0. So that's it with the math operators. Now the order of the operators which Python uses is PEDMAS, which is, wait a minute, PEDMAS, which is P is for parenthesis, E is for exponents, D is for division, M is for multiplication, A is for addition, S is for subtraction. So this is the method used by Python. Now I want to create a game kind of like random integers. The computer prints out a random integer from 1 to 10 and I have to guess it. Now that random integer is random to me also. I don't know that number. So for that we use the random function, which is import random. Yes, from the random is a module. What does Python do is it is going to take randint, which is a random integer in random module. This is a module and this is a subject, randint. Now we need to give a range for the randint. So in this, it's not like range function. In range, the range function cuts off the last ending number and prints the number just before it. But in randint, it also takes the ending number, means it won't cut off 10. It'll include 10 and 1. And now print x. It's random to me. See, the next time it won't be 4, can be. It's 3. So it's totally random. This function can be used to make different kind of games. Now in this, random is a module. Like this, there are many other modules like math, string. So right now I'm going to talk only about the math module. You also have pi, sin and tan and all those things. Right now I'm taking a simple example of pi. Now it should print out pi. Print. I want it to print out that pi is roughly measured as the pi. So it will come like So what will this do is Python is gonna import the pi function from the module math, and it is gonna print out pi is roughly measured as whatever the value of pi is, which is 22/7. So let's try this out. Oh. Yes, here we go. Now we don't know most of the functions in the math module, so to get help from it we can use one function, and that won't work in Visual Studio Code. We need to use the IDLE. So it is see, here are all the functions in the math module. All functions in the math module, most of them we don't know. Right now I showed an example of pi. There are many others. Now this is how you can get help from Python. This is an easy method to know the functions present inside present inside a module. Now there are other things also, like ABS, which is the absolute value, and round, which is the round off. So it is gonna be like print ABS, which is absolute value of 1.4. Wait a minute. Wait, 1.4. Let's check. Yes, see, it prints out the absolute value of 1.4, which is 1.4. Now I want to print out a like round off. Now the easiest way to read this is to print out the round of to print the round of 1.345 to 2 decimal places. So it is going to print out the round of it is going to round off 1.345 to 2 decimal places. Oh, I have to give it out. Yes, 1.34. So that's it. Hope you liked the video, and please like, subscribe and share this video, and don't forget to switch on the notification button to remain updated.